Hello YouTube, Dano here. Alright, we're going to revisit this thing. A lot of people had a pretty good idea as to what this thing does, but they didn't quite hit the mark on what it's originally for. Yes, it is an ultrasonic vibrating table, and she gets going a pretty good clip. This thing pulls their full blast. Alright, so this thing is a beast. Has a Canadian patent date of 1959. Alright, here goes a big reveal. Yep. Come on, focus. There we go. Oh, 48. It's a paper jogger. Alright, so what you would do, you break open a ream of paper, you stand the paper on edge, and you bounce it over this table. And it will loosen the paper up so it'll run through the printing press properly. But I'm going to use it for an ultrasonic table, which will work fabulously. The only thing I'll have to do is I'll put some Velcro on here, and then whatever container I'm using, I'll put some Velcro on that so it doesn't just bounce right off. Lord knows she'll be bouncing pretty good. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Yeah, Dano out.